students, class 9, example sum 3.44. Use graphical method to solve the following system of equation. Here the equations are given as x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is equal to 4. We have to use the graphical method to solve the system, right? Let me take it as the first one. The equation is, let me take it as equation number 1, and then the second one, let me take it as equation number 2. To solve this first and second equation, let me take it as first equation first. Here we can use the tabular form or simply another method to solve this. In tabular form, let me take it as x and y, and then surely it is a linear equation, so we get a straight line only in a graph. To draw a straight line, we need only 2 points is enough to draw a straight line, right? Let's check it. Here, first we take it as x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. If in the equation number 1, if I put x equal to 0 means 0 plus y is equal to 5, then y is equal to 5. The y value is 5. Next, in the place of x is equal to 1 means 1 plus y is equal to 5, then y is equal to, I take this 1 to another side, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So, y is equal to 4. And same way, here we have x is equal to 2, right? And then if x is equal to 2 plus y is equal to 5, in equation number 1, right? X is equal to 2 plus y is equal to 5, then y is equal to 5, I take this 2 to another side, we get minus 2, then y is equal to 3. These are the points we are going to plot in the graph for first equation. Next we take the second equation, that is 2x. Second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 4 is the second equation. For this equation we are going to draw a tabular form. This is x, this is y. Here also we put 0, 1 and then 2. First, in the place x is equal to 0 means 2 into 0 minus y is equal to 4. 2 into 0 is 0. Then minus y is equal to 4. Multiple by minus, we get y is equal to minus 4. And then x equal to 1. Here x is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 1. In the place 2 into 1. In the place 2 into 1, minus y is equal to 4. Then 2 ones are 2. Minus y is equal to 4. I take this 2 to another side. We get minus y is equal to 4 minus 2. Minus y is equal to 2. Multiple by minus symbol. Then y is equal to minus 2. And then next one, x is equal to 2. We get 2 into 2 minus y is equal to 4. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Minus y is equal to 4. I take this 4 to another side. Minus y is equal to 4 minus 4. Minus y is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 0. Here we get 0. This is the one of the method to find the points of x and y to draw the graph. And the same method we can follow that another form also. When x equal to 0 in equation number 1. When x is equal to 0, we know that equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 5, that is given, right? When x equal to 0, we get y is equal to 5. This is the point 0, 5. And when y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 5. Here, first we have to write that x and then y. For the first equation, this is the point. By simple method, we can able to find like this the point. And then the second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 0, here also in this place becomes 0 means minus y is equal to 4, then y is equal to minus 4. then the points are 0 comma minus 4. And then next, when y is equal to 0, in the place we put y is equal to 0 means 2x is equal to 4, then x is equal to 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then the plotting point is 2 comma 0. Either we can use this point or another method, table form method, to draw the graph. Next, to draw the graph, I take the graph here. For the graph, let me take it as scale factor as x-axis 1 cm equal to 1 units and y-axis 1 cm equal to 1 units. This is x, this is x dash, and this is origin, and here we have y dash, and this is y. The scale factor is 1 units, so let me enter the units first. Okay, the units are entered. Now we are going to plot the points. See, for the first equation we have the tabular form, that is 0, 1, 2 and y value is 5, 4, 3. Then we want to plot the point means x-axis 0, y-axis 5. 0 comma 5 is the point. In x-axis 0, y-axis 5 means the point lies in the y-axis, right? Next, x-axis 1, y-axis 4. In axis 1, here x is 1, y is equal to 4, the point lies here. This is the point 0 comma 5, this is the point 1 comma 4, and then third point is 2 comma 3. X is 2, y is equal to 3. So x-axis is 2, y-axis is 3, this is the point 2 comma 3. Now we have to draw a straight line by joining this 3 point. By joining this 3 point, we get a straight line like this, and this equation of the straight line is x plus y is equal to 5. The equation of the straight line for the first equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Next we see the second equation. Next, here we have the second equation's point. See, x equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4. Here we have x is equal to 0, y is minus 4 means here we have minus 4. The point lies here, that is 0 comma minus 4, right? And then x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. See, in x is equal to plus 1, y is equal to minus 2. The point is lying here, that is 1 comma minus 2. And then the third point is x equal to 2, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means the point lies in the x-axis. X equal to 2, y is equal to 0 means the point lies in the x-axis. This is 2 comma 0, the point. Now joining these 3 points and draw a straight line. Now joining this point, we are going to draw a straight line. We get a straight line like this, and this line of equation is, it is given equation is second equation, that is 2x minus y is equal to 5 is the second equation. Now see, the two lines are intersected, the two straight lines are intersected, and then intersected point we have to find out. Here the intersected point is, first we have to choose the x-axis. See, in here we have the x-axis is 3, and from here we have to draw the another line, and then it is a y-axis is 2. Therefore the solution is 3 comma 2 is the answer. And similarly we check this, in this method also we get the same intersect point or not. See, the first point is 0 comma 5, the x-axis 0, y-axis 5, this is the point. And then for the first equation, the second point is 5 comma 0, the x-axis is 5, y-axis 0, the x-axis is 5, y-axis 0 means the point lies in the x-axis, this is 5 comma 0. Now we want to join the 2 points, and by joining the 2 points we get the straight line. The equation of line is x plus y is equal to 5. Now we want to draw the second equation's point. See, the second equations we have 0 comma minus 4 and 2 comma 0. 0 comma minus 4 means x-axis 0, y-axis minus 4 means the point lies here. That is 0 comma minus 4. And then the second point is 2 comma 0. X-axis 2, y-axis 0 means the point lies in the x-axis. That is 2 comma 0. Now we want to draw the straight line by joining the 2 points. See, here we have the intersected point. Then we can find out the point of intersection. It lies in the x-axis. Meet x-axis, we get 3. Here it means to the y-axis, we get 2. So 3 comma 2 is the point of intersection. Both we have the same point of intersection. Therefore, the point of intersection is 3 comma 2. Therefore, x equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is the answer. And also we know that by the formula, the ratio of coefficient of x is not equal to ratio of the coefficient of y, means that is a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, means then we know that two lines are intersected. Let's check it. Here we have the coefficient of x is 1, here we have 2, that is 1 by 2 is equal to, here we have the coefficient of y is 1, here we have coefficient of y is minus 1, 1 divided by minus 1. See, clearly 1 by 2 is not equal to 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 is not equal to 1 by minus 1. Clearly we get a unique solution, right? Thank you, students.